I'm really so privileged. Hindi yung, wow, ako ang dahilan kung bakit nakakilala nila si Jesus. Hindi ganon eh. But for me, it's really a privilege. I'm feeling emotional kasi I feel that it's really a privilege that God allowed me to live this long. I'm almost 50 this May, but God allowed me to live this long so that I can share the beauty and the story of transformation and redemption that He has done in my life for other people. Kasi Pia, di ba maraming mga taong who are lost out there, may mga depressed, walang direksyon sa buhay. But once they learn na itong ginawa ni God sa akin, binigyan niya ako ng pag-asa, inayos niya yung mga sirang parte ng buhay ko, binigyan niya ako ng dahilan, layunin sa buhay, at ngayon, inayos niya yung buong buhay ko. Kaya din gawin ni God yun para sa buhay nila. So now, parang I'm really just so grateful that God chose me, di ba? To be part of His spiritual family. So I could share the truth that God loves each and every one of us. That He sent Jesus on the cross to die for all of us so that we can live the fullest of life here and be with God in heaven.
And it really takes strength and courage to share your faith, diba? Because not everyone will always be receptive to, your stories or... Kasi yung iba tao dyan, ng instant reaction nila is, alam ko na yan eh, or hindi ko na kailangan yan kasi nagsisimba naman ako, nagbabasa rin naman ako ng Biblia, napag-aralan ko yan sa eskwelahan. So, I know all that already. So, to see you so willingly sharing that faith and encouraging others to do the same, that in itself is a great display of strength and courage.